Read the comprehension with me. Since time immemorial, people have speculated what the world was made of. The Greeks thought that the universe was made of 4 elements: water, air, earth, and fire. The philosopher Democritus believed that even these could be broken down into smaller units, which he called atoms. But attempts to explain how atoms could create the vast, wondrous diversity of matter we see in nature always faltered. Even Newton, who discovered the cosmic laws which guided the motion of planets and moons, was at a loss to explain the bewildering nature of matter. All this changed in 1925 with the birth of the quantum theory, which has unleashed a thundering tidal wave of scientific discovery that continues to surge unabated to this day. The quantum revolution has now given us an almost complete description of matter, allowing us to describe the seemingly infinite multiplicity of matter we see arrayed around us in terms of a handful of particles, in the same way that a richly decorated tapestry is woven from a few colored strands. Here is question answer session. The main purpose of this passage is to explain: Option A, how the Greeks were wrong about the elements. Option B, the history of scientific thought. C, the limits of Newton's accomplishment. D, the importance of the quantum theory. Right answer, the importance of the quantum theory. Then come to the second question. The intended audience for this passage is most likely: Options: A, professional scientist; B, general reader interested in science; C, science teachers; D, historians of science. Option B, general readers interested in science, is the right answer. Now come to the third question. The phrase thundering tidal wave is used to. Here are the options. Number A, emphasize the impact of the quantum theory. Number B, make fun of the exaggerated claims made for the quantum theory. Number C, provide a comparison between the quantum theory and earlier theories. Number D, so how the quantum theory works. Right answer, emphasize the impact of the quantum theory. Next question is, the end of the last sentence is meant to. Here are the options. A, demonstrate the complexity of the quantum theory. B, explain the controversy surrounding the quantum theory. C, show the incompleteness of the quantum theory. Number D, provide a visual comparison for an abstract concept. Right answer D, provide a visual comparison for an abstract concept. Next question. The passage asserts the quantum theory. Options: A, has largely been discredited. B. Has as many flaws as earlier theories. C. Has succeeded where earlier efforts failed. D. Explain the aspects of planetary motion that baffled Newton. Right option. Explain the aspects of planetary motion that baffled Newton.